I have been waiting for this first family barbecue since winter!
Opening up your grill to a greasy surprise can be scary. Don't let built-up grime steal the fun from your grilling. At Grill Hero, we handle the mess so you can focus on the rest. Our team deep cleans every corner, removing all that grease and grime and bringing your grill back to life. Get back to grilling, not scrubbing. Call Grill Hero for a grill that's clean, safe, and ready to fire up for your next grill session.